Do you agree that it's not a good idea to follow beauty trends blindly? I'm going to break down why to avoid this soap brow trend. Sometimes beauty trends are like rubber band. People stretch some to an extreme till they snap back. Take eyebrows as instance. Every few months there is a new trend and everyone wants to follow it. In the 90s, thin, rounded eyebrows were the trend. In the last few years, some celebrities sported a very powerful, thick eyebrow look with those squared corners, and then that became the trend and the beauty must have to look younger. And then the feathered edges is the new thing. Now I see some people taking it way more seriously, trying to get that feathered look with rubbing soap in your eyebrows. Now that's because the technique is pretty simple. You start by dampening a spoolie brush with water and raking it over a bar of glycerine soap to lightly coat the bristles. Then you brush through your arches using upward strokes, and afterwards you fill in your eyebrows with the pencil or a powder of your choice. The problem is when a celebrity or a makeup artist calls it a true grooming method only because soap offers a stronger hold than a regular water-based eyebrow gel, most people blindly want to follow it. The end result does look beautiful, and using a spoolie and soap is pretty affordable. But here is why I want you to be careful of this trend. Some people go overboard on the soap. Soap can leave that white residue. If you sweat and the soap comes in contact with water, you know what happens when soap comes in contact with water, it suds up. It will start to lather and it can leave a white residue. It can run onto your eye makeup, or even worse, seep into your eyes. This can sting bad. If you have a lot of foundation around your eyes, the foundation will start to look weird if the soap gets onto your skin. Now this is not the biggest problem following this soap brow trend. Keep listening because I will give you a solution soon. But if you are with me so far and if you have tried this trend or any trend that just felt wrong, then comment below and share your experience. Okay, so additionally, consistent use of soap on your eyebrows can cause skin irritation due to most soaps' high pH levels. Your acid mantle will be damaged and soaps are pretty alkaline. If your eyebrows are fine or thinning, you probably want to avoid this technique altogether, as the soap residue can slow your hair growth over time. And if you have thick eyebrows, you definitely don't want to lose them over a period of time following this trend passionately. Wait, there is more. If the soap remains in contact with your skin for long, it can cause dryness. It can even trigger skin conditions like eczema. Your skin will get dry, flaky, it'll itch, it will burn. Even your skin around your eyebrows will become dry and dehydrated. Unfortunately, the closest area around your eyebrows are your eyes. And clearly the words eyes and dehydrated, dry and itchy do not go well together if you don't want to age rapidly. Is this trend really worth damaging your skin barrier? This is one of those hacks that's okay to use once in a blue moon, but not continued use. So here are my suggestions. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. Firstly, make way for undone eyebrows, a slightly more polished and natural take on perfectly placed soap brow. It's almost embracing a fairly natural shape. Groom them, but allow a few flaws. Embrace the stray hairs and don't sweat it out if you have missed a spot with your brow pen. Also, you can use a hair texturizing pomade that's meant for hair on your head. You can even try some strong hair gels. I saw another YouTuber, Sagania Lazarov, suggesting got to be glued styling gel. I saw her use it in the video and her brows look very well placed, like soap brows. I linked the pomades that I recommend, like the Brow Trio, or there is Orib Fiber Glue Elastic Texture Paste, which is a fiber paste that infuses silken strands. It's a great texturizer for your hair as well as your brows. If you look it up on Amazon, it is a 5-star product. Apart from that, I also recommend trying to find a right eyebrow pencil for yourself. I like to use this one called Take a Brow by Mented Cosmetics. I like that this eyebrow pencil is kind of one shade lighter than my eyebrow shade, so when I color it, it still looks very natural even when I just fill in the sparse spaces. I can still create the arch, I can still create the shape I want, fill in the sparse spaces and look natural. And this one from Better Not Younger is my absolute favorite. It is called Super Brow Tinted Brow Serum. So this not only tints your eyebrows, but it also has ingredients that can boost your hair growth in your eyebrows. So this is an awesome 2-in-1 product, and trust me, your eyebrows stay put all day long till you take your makeup off. I did review this product in the past, so please make sure you click up here and check out that video too. And no, this is not a sponsored video. I just saw so many people going crazy and trying this soap brow trend that I thought I should make this video. So go enjoy shopping, but don't go crazy, because the new eyebrow trend is catching up soon, and it is called gloss eyebrows. As an image coach, I believe that in the world of trends, once you understand your strengths and learn to highlight them, you can become sure of what suits you and what is right for you. If you try to follow every trend and believe that it is a way for you to find your identity or it'll help you fit in, then you are wrong. To find out what is truly individual in ourselves, profound reflection is needed. And sometimes you realize trying to identify your personal style, an image that you want to own, and discovering of individuality may need expert help. I'm Parmita Katkar and I am an image coach. Let me help you empower your presence. My website and email ID to contact me, my team, are all in the description below. Subscribe to my channel and hit the follow button on all my other social media handles. I will see you next week. Until then, keep those eyebrow arches high and blush with me.